So I am Forrest with forrestbuyshouses.com, and I want to talk about how we help people with their real estate problems, and we are a real estate solutions provider here in the Virginia area. And what we do is we provide creative solutions for people with their complex real estate problems. So let's say that you have a property that, just for whatever reason you do not want to own anymore. So we can give you several options to help you move on to your new goal in life. So sometimes a cash offer is great. Sometimes a cash offer is not what you need. Sometimes a cash offer doesn't suit what the property will allow. I mean, let's say that your mortgage is too high, or you're behind on payments on your mortgage, and we need to come up with another creative solution. Well, we do that. So we have a whole toolbox full of tools that we can do to help you move on and help you accomplish your new goals in life. So don't let your property sit vacant. Don't let it go to foreclosure. Give us a call. Don't let it go to the tax person. Email us, call us, go on our website, and get a hold of us so we can help you to solve your real estate problem. All right, thank you and have a great day.